So, last Thursday, Friday, we wanted to talk about it, but then we said, no, let's not talk about it. It's somebody else's business. Let's not be like an old auntie from Candy and talk about it. But now the entire world is talking about it. So, let's open. Let's talk about it.
So it is now our business.
Yes, here we are.
Lesson learned. Never take the Horavan to a Coldplay concert.
Yes.
If you do plan to take them to any concert, let's say any concert, not just Coldplay, any concert.
Yeah.
Keep a distance, will you, men?
Yeah.
I mean, you stay in one corner, let the other person stay in one corner.
Absolutely.
Give the side eye, like...
Yeah.
that song, yeah. Shaping, look at the pinky finger.
Yeah,
So
under
hold
the stands.
Under the stand, you try to hold the other pinky finger.
Yeah.
Brush on each other's shoulders.
Yes.
I mean, you don't need to hold them from behind, be like, cuddly in front of millions of people when it's a horror person, I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Use your brains, people.
I agree, Susie.
I mean, these are basic things.
Yeah.
I mean, every lesson learned is all there on Google. Go how to have an affair. Rule number 1. Do not be out there in public.
Yeah.
Especially if you all are married.
Yes.
There's a reason why you call it the Horavan, no?
Yeah,
Exactly.
No, but that kind of went viral all over the world. It's the biggest thing in the world right now. Like last Friday, you're thinking, shall we talk about Shweta? We said, no, let's let it go. Why do we have to be like these candy aunties and poking into other people's business?
Yeah.
But now,
We
it's blown up.
decided to give you advice on how to have an affair.
No, we
we're
don't
not.
condone
We're
it.
not.
We don't know. We're not condoning
okay,
it.
so that's what we're going with.
No.
Notebook also.
Ayyo!
No, we're not condoning it. Absolutely not.
I got my notebook also.
No,
Take
no.
out notes
Take
for my
notes.
friends.
For your friends.
For my friends.
Yeah. Ashan, if Natasha is listening right now, just give. Yeah. So,
No, this is for my friends.
but that was crazy. How it blew up all around the world.
Yeah.
The memes, the jokes, everything that's going around. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Chris Martin from Coldplay apologized for his part in
did.
it. For his part
He
in it.
did.
He's like, I'm sorry, dude.
He did. And now he's very careful now because here's the thing. It's called the kiss cam.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? So in his concerts, he's got this kiss cam going on.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, if you're going to a concert with a kiss cam, hello,
Yes.
stay
Yeah,
apart.
yeah.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
But now, every kiss cam couple he focuses on, he asks, you guys in a relationship, right? Now, from after that, he's been asking around, you guys are in a relationship,
Well,
right?
technically, those two were also in a relationship,
Yeah.
just that their
Yeah, not
respective others
publicly.
probably didn't know about it.
Yeah. They were torn between two lovers.
Except for that one lady who was on the side going like, oh, oopsie,
Yeah.
you got caught, see?
There are two things to take out of this. One is, like Susie said, if you are doing such a thing, be a little more
Discreet.
discreet.
Yeah.
And the second thing is, never trust HR.
I mean, that's a known thing.
Yeah.
We
Don't
speak
trust
true.
HR. Ever. Every time, imagine every time the husband has to go to, or that CEO used to go to work saying, I've got to travel on a work trip for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
HR would send a letter saying, yes, actually, we and sign it off.
Correct.
Every time he had to take leave from office to go on a clandestine, date or appointment.
Yeah.
HR would be signing that.
That is
Verifying it.
Yeah,
verifying it, and what better way to do it than to get hold of the head of HR?
Yes.
You don't just go like, if you're going to go big, you got to go big.
Go big. In my personal now
Personal experience?
No. Opinion.
Oh my God.
Opinion.
Put that in.
Opinion. Personal opinion.
Opinion. Okay.
Personal opinion. Now this guy's had to resign and stuff like that. The CEO of the company. I think that's utter nonsense. That due to his personal life, he's got to resign from being the CEO of that company.
By the way, he was a founder as well.
Founder of the company as well?
Yeah, Astronomer.
So,
It's an AI company, and he
Okay.
brought it up to $1.6 billion. So
Yeah.
that is a lot. That's a lot.
Yeah. I don't know what their policy is otherwise, but I think it's absolute nonsense that somebody who's so capable and has done so much
Yeah.
and brought that over something personal that you would be asked to resign.
I know.
I think that's kind of stupid, right? It's his personal, he can't, keep things in certain places. But that doesn't mean he's a bad administrator or a bad, bad boss.
Yeah.
But maybe
Or a business
he violated an HR policy.
Probably.
I think he just violated HR.
Yeah.
He just violated HR.
Oh man, I was going to do the sound effect.
Hey, speaking about CEOs and our COO Udar has messaged.
Oh my gosh, really? You had to start off with that? Did you have to start it like that?
COO.
Okay, our COO has message here.
Toshan, our group HR director must be listening to the show right now. God bless you.
No, Pradeep has got a sense of humor as well.
Okay,
Yeah, but this is the thing, right? I mean, it's cracked out all around the world and it's gone mad, and over something which is, I think, to me, it sounds personal between two people. Okay. They are married, yes, understood. All that stories are understood, but these are personal things between people. I don't know why it gets to a corporate level, you know.
No, but like Ashan said,
within
maybe
the corporate.
Yeah, within the corporate rules and regulations, he kind
What
of probably.
rules and regulations?
Wait, no, you can't have relationships like that. I think there must be one.
Do you think the company is better off that he's not going to be CEO? I don't think so. I think the company is taking a big hit, trying to look morally, pompous.
I thought the
think the
same
company
thing.
is taking a big hit, right? If I brought this company from zero to $1.6 billion or whatever it is, and you're going to say bye bye over, a Coldplay concert, then I think it's the company's loss. You know, he probably still has his shares in the company. He's probably going to still make that money. He'll probably go and work for someone else. He'll go straight to your competitor. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that is true.
He
That's
would,
true.
he would move, and the competitors would step him up. Because they need the publicity, which he has got now. He'll
Correct,
become a
correct,
star.
correct.
Look at what happened to Kim Kardashian after she became,
A star?
popular. Yeah, a star. So, he's going straight to the competitor. That's what's going to happen. So I think that's kind of stupid. However, we're not condoning anything and all that.
No,
and,
no.
Yeah, but you know what I
Well,
mean.
we're just thinking of the company's point of view. And I mean, that was a
Absolutely.
bit unfair, I guess.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Don't let it deter you from going to Coldplay
Yes,
concerts.
yes.
I
Next-
don't want Chris Martin writing to us and saying, Ade, what are you all doing?
Next time, anybody, husbands sitting in your car right now with your wives, anytime you are going to say, listen, I have to go to a Bhati and Santush concert with the office people.
No, do you all remember? Guys, do you all remember? Couple of months back, everyone was going to either Singapore or Malaysia.
For Coldplay concerts. Yes.
Imagine those people who didn't go with their spouses or their significant others. The conversations are probably going on. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know personally a few people who went leaving
Without
their
the-
wife. And,
Really?
the guys we are going for a
Yeah,
Coldplay
yeah.
concert. Darling, you really don't, you're not into Chris Martin songs, no?
Ashan, wow, you're opening cans of worms.
Raju
here.
says wife's in the car.
Rajiv Kanapati, hi. Good morning, Radhika, as well. Hi. Now listen. Here's the story, right? Imagine, I know companies in Sri Lanka as well.
Okay.
When their teams perform really well and achieve targets and stuff like that, they get taken on trips by the company. I'm just saying.
Huh?
Okay.
I'm just saying. Overseas trips. They're taken. The company is taken on. Company takes the. I know companies in Sri Lanka.
Really?
Okay. Yeah.
Now every time that happens,
The spouse is like, book me a ticket. book me a ticket. I'm also coming. I don't need to be in the same hotel, but I'll come.
now
No, but-
Rajiv, who just messaged us, is a rugby selector in Sri Lanka. He's a rugby selector. Now every time Rajiv has to go on a scouting or when there's like an international tour happening, Sri Lanka
Right,
playing
right.
abroad. Every time he has to go. No, it's an office thing, man. I got to go because I'm a selector. No, I'm a selector.
Why? I can't understand.
It's going to be a problem. This thanks to Coldplay and
Yeah.
this CEO and this HR lady. All these.
And there'll be one question from the wives.
Yeah.
HR Uten on this.
No, hold on. I just remembered. Someone is supposed to go abroad, no?
Who's supposed to go abroad?
Apa yang tundinik?
Up in Thundanik. Actually, yeah, Ashan next week is supposed to be heading
Just
off
for
on
the- just
on
for
an
the
office,
record, HR
office
is
trip.
not going.
I don't know. I charwomen no, nan.
Pudupu gamang kapi akasian. Can't do this.
Okay, we're going to take a break. It's 7:47. Good morning, Pradeepa, our group HR head, has messaged us. He says, Toshan, do you have to drag poor HR into these controversies? We see nothing, we hear nothing. Pradeepa. I told he's got a great sense of humor. Lovely gentleman. and our group head of HR, Pradeepa. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today, the messages are all about the Coldplay concert and the HR lady and the CEO, etc., etc., etc. So, I mean, we're going to have to take a break on Whiz today as well. Sorry, guys. It's gone berserk here. So, Whiz or no Whiz?
Let's read the messages.
Yeah,
I think we should read the
we
messages.
have to read the messages.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
let's do this.
Okay, let me just save this message before getting into the others. Okay, here we go. Asanka says here, Ane, don't make me cancel my tickets to an upcoming event. Huh?
Yeah. This is going to happen. Everybody's going to be questioned a couple of times.
Yeah.
Not question. They're going to be interrogated, drilled,
Yeah,
waterboarded before they are sent.
who is going with you? Why are they going with you? Why can't somebody else go with you? Who else is going? Is that other person is going? And here's the thing, right? I'll tell you what a bigger problem is.
Okay.
And here is where we do this on the morning showgram.
And now the morning showgram opens a can of worms.
Every time your spouse, husband or wife, goes out on an office trip,
Yeah.
you will be concerned about who he's going with.
Yeah.
But you know who you will be more concerned about? The best friend that vouchers for him or her. Like the lady who was smiling standing next to them who knew.
Yes.
That may have been the best friend.
Yeah.
That's the person you're really going to watch out for, because your friends may not in reality be your friends.
That's true.
She was
Remember the girl?
head of marketing.
Yeah, or whatever. Yeah, something. She was standing there smiling away, giggling away. She found it funny, but
Yeah.
she was the friend that the spouse trusted.
Yes.
Yeah, could be. I mean, that's always the case, right?
Always the case. So that's going to be something in your mind as well. Ashan is going to China. No, but he's going with Rizviano. That's okay. Ashan's going to China with Rizviano. Rizvi, I've known Rizvi for 16 years. She won't let him do anything. I was just giving a hypothetical situation which involves our lovely and very learned co-host Ashan. And
Who
what
has
his-
to go to China now?
Yeah, and what his wife might be thinking about his long-time office colleague. Everybody's under the microscope now. Wives, husbands sitting in cars right now, giving side eyes to their spouses, going, something else to think about.
I mean, Arvind has sent a message. Says, Ayyo, Tosh Madekava. Wife don't know anything about this Coldplay scene. Now she's on it.
How could she not know?
Coming Friday, a trip has also been organized. Thank you, EFM.
Why? I can't understand.
We'll come back to all of these. WhatsApp us 0773 336 336.
It's 8:01.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a morning showgram.
And now the morning showgram opens a can of worms.
We opened it. Now let's go with it.
Johan from Walters Bay says, good morning. Asanga says, oh, katawai prashne.
Tell us which side of the prasni, Asanga? Which side of the prasni?
No, I actually empathize with all the listeners today because I'm also fed to the sharks out of the blue. Thank you, Susie. I'm also fed. Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm
You're
also
welcome.
fed to the sharks because
Yeah.
all of my overseas trips that I've gone on work
Yeah.
have ironically been to all these exotic locations.
Yes.
Where work is the last thing that comes to mind when you say those places.
Yes, absolutely.
Like places like Bali. Yeah, like, what paper sales in Bali, man? Is what my wife is probably thinking right now.
Yes. And what makes it worse is there's no female involved. You're going with your male boss.
Yes.
Which is a double whammy.
Double whammy, exactly.
No. Plus, here's another thing. I mean, within a few couple of months itself, he's going to China like twice now.
Yeah.
Who is that in China?
No, she actually
Who's in
said.
China?
She actually asked like again. Like, didn't you like just out of the blue you had to go to China?
Don't you know in China they've got loads and loads of paper? Ni hao.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I mean, she had a like a real quizzy face, and she's like, again?
yeah.
And she like go like, what, a month back?
Yeah, you China,
Again?
China got many things. China always.
Yeah, so things,
No Coldplay concerts happening in
No,
China.
no
right?
Coldplay
Okay,
concerts.
okay. Oh man, anybody now? I think Chris Martin shot himself in the foot. Anytime now, he's going to lose a lot of tickets, a lot of corporate tickets, because those are probably paid for by the company as
Probably.
well. Those tickets, right? The
Yeah,
concert
yeah.
tickets, expensive. Coldplay
Very,
tickets are
very expensive.
very expensive. Probably paid for by the company as well.
Yeah. But here's the thing, I noticed on these comments, a lot of guys were commenting on this. One thing I noticed that us women, what did we get out of this? He is a CEO. He's a father of 3. He has time to cheat. And he still also found time to buy tickets for Coldplay. If your man has no time to do anything, then there's something wrong with him.
Sorry, husbands. Absolutely. I don't have time, man, to do this.
That is
I
nonsense.
don't have time to come for dinner,
If your
man.
man says he has no time, that is utter nonsense. This man, he's a CEO, father of 3. He has time to cheat and also buy
And run a
tickets.
company as well, a 1.6
Yes,
billion
that's what I'm
company
saying,
as well.
CEO. And buy tickets to a Coldplay concert.
Yeah,
I mean, hello.
yeah.
And your man can't do that.
Yeah. All those nights he was working late. Could have been like, I've got some HR issues to iron out. I got to nail down some HR issues, guys. Give me.
No, but here's the thing now. We need to look at the other side of the coin as well. It takes 2 to tango.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
Why
I
is
mean-
everybody blaming the guy, right?
Yeah. I mean, that lady too was married.
Yes.
She was also a head of HR.
Yes.
Probably wrote the rule book herself.
Yes.
there,
Yes.
saying,
Exactly.
no philandering within company employees.
I don't think they use the word philandering in a company policy report. No.
I don't
Okay.
know. I've never associated an HR person.
Okay.
I'm indemnifying myself there.
Sure. Let's read these messages here.
So Bala says, morning guys. Now this goes to show how many people enjoy messing up people over their personal life matters.
Yes.
It's so true. And say CEOs have all the time in the world to do stuff. Others run the business for them.
Says Bala.
No, they still have a lot of. You can't say CEOs have all the time. I disagree.
If
I disagree.
No, these tickets to this Coldplay concert bought by the company could have been like a diridima now, like an incentive
Yeah,
or like a
yeah.
reward
Yes,
for
yes.
achieving your targets.
so many companies do. So
Yes.
many companies do. Yeah.
So Heshan goes say, no matter what people say, I see the CEO as an idol.
An idol?
Yeah. While being a CEO, a father of 3, he still found time to cheat and go to Coldplay concert nevertheless.
So this
I
just
don't own but work at a company, but still don't find time to even go to a Sunflowers concert. He also broke the
barrier maybe between HR and management.
between HR and management. We always thought HR was unapproachable. Next time you want to talk to that HR lady, ask her out. There's a human behind her.
Yeah, the human resource behind her. Oh wow,
I was once taught by a CEO.
Uh-huh.
Said, Ashan, if you want to be a great leader in a corporate world, you need to keep finance and HR very, very close to you.
Okay, how close?
According to this gentleman
Yeah.
who got caught very,
Very
close.
close.
Yeah.
Like so close that you could almost smell the coconut shampoo on their head.
I think it's a little more than that.
Coconut shampoo. Harshana says, morning, Tushan. So, pasting defecation all over the place today.
Yes, Harshana would be upset. He is actually a CEO of a very, very prestigious financial institution. Harshana is also CEO of a very prestigious financial institution in Sri Lanka. I can see how you'd get upset over that, Harshana. Understood. Sorry about that, Harshana. How's the wife? How's things going at home? Everything okay?
Any business trips planned?
Yeah.
It's 8:16.
On the morning showgram, it's Toshan, Susie, and Ashan. So many messages have come in on our WhatsApp line. It's gone simply berserk.
Mishanda says, good morning, guys. Hilarious topic. Oh my gosh.
So hold on. Earlier on, our COO messaged Udara. He listens to the show.
Yeah.
Our group group head of HR, Pradeepa, also messaged us with his little bit of input on this. Our group CFO also has messaged.
Fazli. He says, Tosh, that is pure leadership and management. Multitasking.
There we are. That's what the dude from the CEO from Coldplay did.
Yeah.
Multitasking. See? Multitasking.
Multitask.
Yes.
Okay. Chandima says, I thought guys are very bad in multitasking.
That's
but
what we
clearly
like.
not. That's what you guys like to say, huh?
We'd like you to believe.
Okay.
When it comes
But
to the
now we know,
Yeah, they shed
ladies,
some light
heard.
on it.
Yeah, when it comes to certain tasks, we are multi.
Clearly. ගෙදර වැඩක් වුණා කිව්වා ඒව නැහැ.
Certain tasks, we are multi.
Correct.
Chandima says, did you hear the Andrew Tate's take on the internet? The internet, should ask why the CEO is not with a 21-year-old, not 50.
Yeah, so that probably has to be
He did
love.
ask that.
Has to be love. If the CEO is a billionaire, as you would imagine, and he could have a 21-year-old side chick. But instead, he's dating his 50-year-old officer. There's something more serious to that than just arm candy or a fling or something like that. It's a little more serious than that, which I think personally is his personal business.
Yeah.
We've always maintained on this show, love changes everything, as Michael Ball would say, or Climie Fisher. All you need is love, as the Beatles would have said. That's how it works. So we've always maintained. Even remember Charles and Diana and Camilla. Diana was the other woman. Camilla and Charles are the real love story. Look at them today. They are
That's
the
true.
unpopular opinion.
But that is true. That's
of
true,
course
Tosh.
it's true.
Look at Camilla and Charles today. That was the original love story.
No, that was
before
his
he
first
met
love.
Diana. And he's still today
He was just forced to marry Diana.
in his 70s and 80s. They're still, So there's a lot of things which don't look right on the surface. However, as you delve in and you get into the can of worms, you realize, okay, no. So this point also is true.
Yeah, I mean,
the CEO could have had a 21-year-old side chick.
True. I mean, her husband, the HR head HR, her husband's also CEO. There's a meme saying she's going collecting CEOs like Infinity Stones. One CEO after another.
Some people are born great. Some people achieve greatness. Some people have greatness thrust upon them.
Dinishka says, other show එක අහලා අහිංසක පවුල් කැඩුනොත් උඹලා තමයි හරිද?
No, so there are a lot of people right now who have been through such ordeals in their own life, like personal lives. Things happen in life. We're all adults. We can always acknowledge that these things have happened. And there's one getaway to this. It's always to say sorry and move on. Always quote the great Sanat Nandasiri. Yeah, wisdom from the late great Sanat Nandasiri.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wisdom. You're welcome, everybody. You're welcome.
9200 says, thanks, EFM. Now wife is inquiring all about my previous tours.
This is like an investigation going on by the DOC. The DOJ, sorry.
Nimesha says, yes, you know what? My company takes people on sales, or on overseas trips every year as they perform well. There are no ladies at all.
She said, thanks, Saturuda. Well, if there are no ladies and all, and if it's a boys' trip overseas, then I think you still should be a little concerned. Yeah, especially about the best friend, who's the instigator.
Yeah.
And then she goes on to say, at our household, I'm the one in corporate sector as hubby is on his own. And now this happens.
Yeah, well, we weren't going to talk about this. Like on Thursday and Friday, we heard it blew up, we knew about it. We were like, no, let's not be like these Candian aunties and gossip about somebody's personal life.
Yeah.
But by like Saturday, the entire world was going mad with this.
Yeah.
People had resigned, they had apologized, Coldplay was apologizing,
So apparently, that apology statement was not his. That's not real.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was not his.
That wasn't.
All
He
right.
hasn't released a statement
Yeah,
ever.
why should he? Why should he? It's his personal life.
Yeah. Mayanti goes on to say, everyone is talking about this particular CEO and their HR head. How about the
Hold on, which one? Harshana? Is it Harshana we're
Same
talking
man.
about? Who's the CEO of a financial institution who's listening to the show right now? Is that the CEO? No.
No.
No, right? No, the one. Oh, okay, the Coldplay one. Yeah, okay.
How about the CEOs and HR heads who were present at the Coldplay concert
Yeah.
and evaded the kiss cam?
Yes.
Right now, they are the most thankful people in the world.
Yeah.
And their respective spouses are currently on world tours, cruises, and whatnot, listening to sweet nothings of darling, I, of course, would never even dream of cheating on you like that because I'm the luckiest man on earth to have you beside me as my life partner. Let us both go on the next Coldplay concert and deliberately get caught on this kiss cam to show the world our love.
Yeah, well done. Good ploy. Good ploy. And also next time the side chick says, hey, you don't take me anywhere. So what happened to that other fellow? No, you want that to happen to us? No. Sit there and wait, man. Go and book the hotel room quickly.
Oh my gosh. It's 8:30.
Imagine what the views on the Coldplay YouTube channel are like right now. Oh, yeah. That's crazy. You can get to our YouTube channel as well. EFM, we have a YouTube channel, guys. Go there and subscribe. You'll hear a lot of what you hear on the morning showgram. Like today's program. Last week, we had a couple of programs which were extremely interesting, and we had a lot of interesting comments from our showgrammers as well. It's on YouTube. You can go listen to it. All the good parts. We've taken out like the songs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And all the talk parts are on YouTube. Go to EFM Sri Lanka on YouTube and subscribe. Go on, take a moment, do us a favor.
Do it now.
Shanika says, by the way, just do a Google trend analysis and see how the Transformer company, not Transformer, what was the name of the company? Astronomer. Yeah, a company is being searched. Now everyone is talking about that organization and it will impact the valuation as well.
Absolutely. I think he deserves a raise if at all. And, the HR
He
person
took one for the team.
Yeah, literally.
He took the team.
He and she both. They put that company. Did you know about Astronomia before today?
Are you crazy?
Nobody knew. Now the entire world knows that company's name.
Yeah. It actually plays a big role, okay, in a lot of apps that we use as well. I'll tell you guys off. I can't mention the apps.
And people know everything about it. 1.6 billion company, this, they know all about the company.
Yeah. Jonathan says, my wife said that she will be doing a two-factor authentication for all my office trips now.
What are the two factors? One is there really an office trip? Two, who else is going?
Dinuka says these things should be talked after 8 a.m. and please, if not, getting permission for office travels will be an issue.
Well, Dinuka, it's going to be an issue. It's a worldwide phenomenon now. Every single trip that somebody has to go on, office trips are going to be scrutinized. The next time you have an office function on a Friday night, who's going? Right. Who else is going? Can't I come? They won't allow spouses. All those questions are going to be asked.
Forget office trips.
Yeah.
If you say something like, I'll bring the bread and come.
Yeah.
Which bakery are you going to? How many loaves of bread are you planning to get? Are you going to bring bread? Yeah.
I'll be about an hour late after work. 1 hour? Why so long? What am I going to do in 1 hour? I know you, a couple of minutes is enough.
Suranga says dang ඉතින් යාළුවොත් එක්කත් concert ගිහින් ඒකටවත් ගිහිලත් ඉවරයි.
Sure, Suranga, sure. You're going to concerts with friends, yeah.
Gordon says, morning trio, you had to open the can of worms. And imagine on a Monday morning where the husband and wife is driving peacefully and not aware of the situation. And you did this. Thank you.
How could anybody not be aware of the situation? It's all over social media and the internet and everything.
Hi, Rasha. Good morning. CG says, Emmanuel Macron's ex-teacher wife affair is a real love story too.
Yes, it is. Absolutely. Yeah.
Helen says, wow, that song.
Which song?
Sanat Nanda series.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Dinishka, I'll come back to yours. Can I copy these messages? So many.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can do that. Really proud that the morning showgram is the mouthpiece or the tip of the arrow to bring this message to you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the 21st of July. It's Toshan, Susie and Ashan.
It's 8:46.
That was funny, guys. I thought that was funny.
It
was. Yeah, okay, fine. What else? Okay. Wow. Let's do this. There's like a million here. No, okay, not a million. I'm exaggerating, but at least like about 50, 60.
Shihan says, දැන් ඉතින් ලංකාවේ office trip එකක් ගිහින් ඉවරයි.
Yeah, you're always going to be
Sounds
under the microphone.
disappointed about that.
You know that
Shehan
weren't there some pictures that Shehan shared, Shehan Rajaguru this is, shared with us some time ago of an office trip that he went on. I don't think his wife was on that trip, but I noticed there were lots of girls in his office.
Yeah,
Young girls as well.
Okay.
Maybe
Yeah.
from the HR department. I don't know.
yeah.
But you saw that, right? You
Those
saw that.
attires didn't really scream of corporate also.
Didn't scream corporate?
Yeah,
no. Okay. I don't know, Shehan, but I suppose the next time you go, there might be a little more scrutiny. It's
Yes.
okay. You're welcome. It's okay. It's okay.
Heshan says, that CEO should have performed the Heimlich maneuver on that HR lady as soon as the camera was on them. That would have saved them.
What lick maneuver? I'm sure he has performed that. The Heimlich, right?
Yeah,
If somebody
yeah.
gets, the Heimlich maneuver, if somebody gets, you know how to do it, right, Susie? If somebody gets something stuck in their
Yeah,
air passage,
if you're choking, yeah.
You know the Heimlich maneuver.
Oh, yeah.
Come, let me show you.
No,
Yeah,
no, thank you.
No, okay.
Max says, Appi wage work from home CEO lata me prashna naane.
I don't know, but Manik, at some point or the other, everybody has to go on like a office thing.
I mean, he does go on trips.
Yeah.
I've seen social media. Shihan says,
why do you all call all of them Shehan? It's Shehan.
Shehan.
Why do you call every Shehan a Shehan?
like Shihan Mihiranga? Or is it
Shehan-
Shihan Mihir?
that's S-H-I.
Shehan.
That's
That's Shehan.
S-H-I.
Shehan Mihira.
Ane vanda na. They're all
Shehan
same,
is
man.
S-H-I.
Potato, man.
Shehan
Same
is
spelling.
S-H-E.
Shehan Kumar says, in one of the companies I worked, our head of project management once took his project executive, a girl, on a client visit to Singapore. His justification to HR was that he needed someone to change the slides on the customer PowerPoint presentation.
Shehan Kumar, you may think this is a one-off thing. However, it is quite common. Susie, we've seen such
Okay, I thought-
things. No, not Susie, not
I
you.
was like, what?
Susie's like, I changed no one's slides.
I did not go changing slides.
I was
Hello.
not a slide changer for anyone.
no.
Here or overseas.
Susie,
Yeah.
you and I have personally seen
Yes.
CEOs
Yeah.
Mm.
Take
people who have zero qualifications to be on an international trip.
I mean, to even change a slide on a presentation, I don't think this person even
does
knew
not,
how to
does
do
not
that.
know. This person, she may or may. Oh, I said she, right? Sorry. She did not. I'm pretty sure did not have any skill, or I'm not sure. I know for a fact, or even to change the slide. But was taken on trips to Singapore, to
India.
India. Remember, Susie?
See,
Sent us pictures as well.
Exactly. How do we know? Because this person sent us pictures and we were like,
Oh, look, boss has bought me a bubbly bottle of bubbly. Oh, look at my
Yes.
large sweet.
Girl, is that a new Prada handbag? It is.
he was smart. He was very smart that
Yeah,
day.
only on company account.
Yes, he was
Only
very
on
smart.
company- Only on company account.
Yes.
And you know what's funny is it happens in offices. Now I'm not saying this person may or may not have worked on the morning showgram, but these things happen in life when these things happen. It happens, Ashan. It does. What's the next message? Adrian has sent a message as well.
Adrian says, morning, guys. I go out a lot in the night and I see a lot of these Coldplay moments and then I keep to myself.
Yeah.
So now it's going to be known as a Coldplay moment. No?
Yeah.
Coldplay moment.
And Nana, that one is doing a Coldplay moment.
Yeah.
I
Ashan,
like that
I think
term.
you're getting calls. You have to run, right? You're getting calls.
I have a Coldplay moment also.
Now, every day, every Monday, guys, just for the record, and Natasha, if you're listening in, Satan, Mondays at 9 o'clock, Mondays, he runs off saying, I have a meeting every Monday at 9.
Uh-huh.
Do you know what I mean? And, yeah.
We don't know. I mean, we don't know these meetings. I mean,
you
know.
But there's going to be a bit of scrutiny today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I'll see y'all.
You're welcome, Ashan. Bye.
We
See you,
love
Ashan.
you. It's 9 a.m. That is one of my favorite songs from Madonna.
It's a good song. It's a good song.
Great song.
It's a good song. It's a good
Even
song.
Tusit was enjoying that song.
Yeah, absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the morning showgram. We've been talking about shit, about the Fight Club, right?
Yeah.
Where you don't talk about Fight Club.
Yeah.
Rule number 1,
Yeah.
don't talk about Fight Club.
Yeah.
Rule number 2, you don't talk about Fight Club. Rule number 3, you don't talk about Fight Club.
Yeah.
It's the same with office parties and office trips.
You don't talk about it.
You don't talk about it.
Yeah.
That should be the Don't ask, don't tell policy.
Yeah. You know what? I'm just thinking all the spouses who's, people work in our company must be very happy, no?
Uh-huh.
Because we don't have any of these parties.
We
so-
don't. We hardly do. We hardly do.
We have zero parties.
Yeah.
We have zero get-togethers.
Yeah.
We don't send people abroad.
Yeah, that doesn't happen.
Yeah. So
well-
people must be spouses must be like, yeah, you should go and work for EBC, man. Go work for EBC.
Oh man, rule number 1, don't talk about office parties. Rule number 2, don't talk about office parties. And rule number 3,
Just don't talk about office parties.
it's like Fight Club.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a voice message, right,
Okay,
from
okay.
Niro.
Who's this? You have to stop that music first.
Okay,
Susie.
okay, here it is.
Okay, so pause that
Stop
one.
it.
Yeah.
Funny thing, have you noticed? It's all the guys who got activated.
Yeah.
None of the women actually really cared.
Yes, that's true, right? I noticed that as well, Susie.
Yeah.
It's either the women are completely squeaky clean, or they just don't want to get involved here because, let sleeping dogs lie.
Or we're just more careful than you men.
Or women are more careful than the men.
We know what not to do.
Yeah.
Except for that HR head.
No, I mean, if she wasn't the one hugging him, he was the one hugging her.
Yeah, exactly.
So she would have been like, man, this is not going to end well. And then suddenly they're on camera.
Yeah. Kevin B says office trips and parties are like, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas kind of thing.
Now, Kevin's office trip is with his mum down to the basement and back up. Because he lives there. He takes his mum there for a trip. They listen to some Coldplay or whatever. He embalms a few dead animals, stuffs them with whatever, and then he brings his mum back up to the real life, and he goes back down to his basement.
Okay,
That's
then.
what Kevin B does as an office trip.
Tusit says, just thinking about this whole incident had happened in Asia and the subjects were non-white. How much of a mountain would have been created?
Here's the thing. I do believe you have a point here. However, I think what would have happened was, people wouldn't have recognized them.
You mean like that Asia? No, imagine it happened in Sri Lanka.
Yeah. No, that was my wife. What are you saying? No, okay, yeah.
No, but imagine it had happened in Sri Lanka.
Well, there have been certain instances where there have been certain incidents at cricket matches and stuff like that, which have kind of shown certain
really?
things. Yeah, one or two I've heard of.
Oh,
I don't know,
It hasn't been
seen.
Seen. Has it created a big scene?
No, not much. Not really much. But this one went kind of crazy because Chris Martin highlighted it as well.
I think so. That's why it
That's
was
what happened
Coldplay.
there. That's what
And they
happened
just kind of overreacted the whole thing, right?
Yes, they went completely berserk.
Yeah, they just did not know what to do. I think at that moment they
panicked.
They panicked.
They
Yeah,
panicked.
I think that created a big scene.
Yeah, play it cool, guys. Play it cool. If something like that happens to you, not saying that we endorse that and all that, but just play it cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If they went with the flow, no one would really make a big scene about it. I think because they kind of like
There are so many ways. Like if the camera came on and you're hugging, you just hug boy and say, "Hey, congratulations!" And they say, "Well done, you got promoted." He's the CEO. He can promote people, right? Congratulations. I was just giving her a hug because, she just got promoted. She managed to pull off this entire Coldplay office trip on her own. Well done to you, madam. And we are lucky to have you in our corporate and stuff like that.
Harshana says, Susie says, imagine this happened in Sri Lanka. I don't think you want to walk down that road. No, I'm just curious. I'm like, seriously, if it did.
This is our Harshana, who's the CEO. Yeah, he's very, very invested in today's chat.
Yeah. I mean, he does say you don't want to walk down that road. I mean,
Yeah.
now I'm just curious.
I don't know. I mean, these things happen in life. Like we said, and I'm saying this for the third time today. We heard about this. We saw this like last Thursday or Friday. We didn't want to get into it because we didn't want to sound like some gossiping old aunties from, I don't know, wherever.
Because we're not right now.
But then the whole world went mad with it, and we thought, let's give some grief to our showgrammers while they're traveling in their car. Let's make things awkward to them. See, we're only talking about the suspicious wives and the suspicious husbands, right?
Yeah.
What about the ones who are traveling in the cars that actually got caught already?
I forgot about that part.
Imagine the ones who've already got caught.
And us women, don't forget.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. WhatsApp us on 0773 336 336. We'll also remind you that you can go to our YouTube channel, EFM Sri Lanka. Go there and subscribe, please. Take a moment out of your busy morning listening to the showgram. Pick up your phone, go to YouTube, type in EFM Sri Lanka, and go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All these chats which you're having right now will be edited down without the music and made short so that you can go and listen to
Like
them.
a summary of
again.
it.
Yeah, exactly. Not a summary, the entire show.
Oh, okay.
But without the songs
Okay.
and stuff like that. Without the adverts, without the songs, they'll be on our YouTube channel as well. So just go now and subscribe. EFM Sri Lanka is the YouTube link.
It is 9:17.
On the showgram, Ashan has gone off for a, I don't know, what did he say? He went off for a meeting.
Meeting?
For a meeting? An
yeah.
office corporate meeting. With whom? With HR, I think. I think he did mention there's some sort of meeting with HR or something like that which he had to go and do. And I don't know. What's Tusit saying?
So Tusit says, sure, the cam guy was paid by the CEO's wife or husband to do this.
I doubt it. I think it was just a bad timing. Wrong place, wrong. Well, not wrong place, wrong. They went there.
Yeah.
It was a wrong timing. I'm sure they weren't hugging the entire night.
No, they weren't. So there were different camera angles done by different people
Yes,
that
yes.
were there, right?
Yeah.
So there were like arrows showing. They weren't together. I mean, not like they were standing together,
Yeah.
but they weren't huggy and all that, right? If
yeah.
anyone panned a camera, then they looked normal.
I think the song that played was probably their song.
Yeah, I kind of got emotional or something, I guess. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Coldplay concerts are not going to be the same again either.
But I've heard Coldplay concerts are one of the best now so far.
I don't know, man. I think they should be more embarrassed that at their age they go to Coldplay concerts.
What?
It's not really a good band.
Oh my gosh.
They're not really a great band.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's a good band. I think it's a great band.
Yeah. Susie, there is a very special birthday here to a senior showgrammer who listens to us passively every morning because her son is also a senior showgrammer. This is Tusit's mom who's celebrating her birthday. We couldn't catch her name, Tusit, but it's her 81st birthday today.
Wow.
He says his original Iron Lady or Nightingale, how we would like to put it.
Wow.
Tusit's mom, happy birthday from all of us.
And you know one thing I love about her? She knows lyrics to Backstreet Boys songs.
She does. She does.
81 years old and she does.
She does.
I love that about her.
Happy birthday to you. 9:34. Oh man, what a good song. Like so many years later, like 40 odd years later, it's still such a big hit. Huge hit.
I think it's more than 40.
Almost 50, closing
Yeah.
on 50, closing on 50 years later.
I mean, if you're saying almost 40 and
No,
that's
more, I
78.
said more than 40 years.
More than 40. Okay.
More than 40
no,
years.
You said almost.
More than.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay. Put the mics on. You all have to talk now.
Yep. Today's been all about Coldplay and creating marital problems for everyone listening. The morning showgram, creating marital problems since 2017.
It's been that long, huh?
You're welcome.
Hi, then we'll go, no?
I think so. I think we set
Yeah.
enough fires today.